Good morning, everybody. Hope stay healthy. Welcome back to Kutu Shurtboard channel. So today I'm gonna replace the leash plug. It's broken around here. The metal coming off, or the stainless. So I have to remove this and replace back again. Alright, and that another one got little ding, but so many, many ding. Welcome. So I'm gonna starting work right now, and this will off to the floor when the owner doing shower, like slippery. So this time took out this first sanding about that big around it. So this is really dry, no water in it, no water inside. So hope today is done, no raining. Look at it, medewi, it's sunny day now. Alright, thank you for coming. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Hope all healthy, stay healthy, and every day serve is important. Thank you very much for customer that can't say no more than thanks. Big thanks. Thank you. The yellow board, the pink one, and what do you call this? A little bit creme. Thank you, Suksma, and thanks for watching my video. Suksma. Someday I see you at Medewi, West Bali, Indonesia. Okay. This plug is broken. How come they do this? Mixer sanding first, making around. Before was white, now he want black. So just leave bit slow this one, because when you put hardener quick and the resin is not really hard, maybe it took 30 minutes to get really dry, and after that sanding to making a flat, and then put 2 layers of glass on the top, and make sure when you put resin, put tape on the top of this, make sure the hole not fill with the resin. Alright, that's the tips how to fixing leash plug. Sometime you can try at your home with all board. It's everything easy. Yeah, and also mix so center. Okay, just wait for dry and sanding and put fiberglass. So look at your board, bro. See, full of water. Many water. Many water. I put fiberglass and wait another 15 minutes. It's really quick dry, so the sun coming up, so good for fixing the board. So after this, one more soft sanding, make sure this all gone, and then make a little bit scratching, and one more gel coat, dry, water sanding, done. Thanks for watching my video by Putu Surfboard Repair, West Bali, Indonesia. Thank you for customer. Thank you. Suksma. See you the next video. Ciao, bro.